discover a powerful civilization that rose from the tropical rainforests of Guatemala thousands of years ago. For the first time in North America, experience the genius and resilience of Maya culture, from striking art and sculpture to the supernatural world of the gods, at this stunning exhibition celebrating the enduring legacy of Maya language and culture. Maya, the Great Jaguar rises, now at the Royal BC Museum.